Welcome back to the laboratory. It's October, it is fall, and that means Halloween is just around the corner, and it's pumpkin carving season. You know, someone said to me the other day, the most curious thing. They said, "You're a chef. You must be great at carving pumpkins." And I thought to myself, you know, if you're an accountant, you're not great at oil painting. It's a completely different skill set. Although I might have flair when it comes to plate presentation, I am not an artist, nor am I artistic. So, here's the challenge. Someone like me, who's hopelessly non-artistic, carve a pumpkin. Now, I've got a couple great knives here, and I gotta tell you, these things are hard to cut through. I would say it's borderline dangerous to get into a pumpkin with a knife without some sort of bigger tool, maybe something more capable. Maybe we need something that's even bigger and better than a laboratory. The Urban Homestead. We already determined that a chef knife might not be the right job for carving a pumpkin. So what's going to do the trick? I know, some power tools. I have a safety disclaimer. Kids, these are for grown-ups, so make sure that you find a responsible adult. I know I barely qualify. All right, so all of my logic tells me that I want to level this and cut, so I'm going to cut off both sides. I'm going to come in here, try to get this as level as possible. Oh, it's making quick work. Oh, this is my finest moment. Let's see how I did. Heck yeah, I did something. Okay, now I'm going to cut circle on the top. As you might know, saw blades don't necessarily enjoy making radius cuts, but this did the trick. Oh my gosh, I did something else. I'm so excited, and I love this. What I like about this is that this is not full of seeds. I actually grabbed the lightest pumpkin I could find, hoping that I wouldn't have to scrape too much. All right, what am I going to use to scrape out the seeds? I know, a Park Tool bottom bracket wrench. I feel like that's going to be the right tool for the job. Oh my gosh, this is doing the trick. I got a couple pro tips for you. One, save some boxes from your Amazon deliveries for the mess, which is substantial. Two, if you have a lot of seeds, go ahead and attach a beater to a drill, power drill, and just get in there. That'll help peel out the inside. And third, wear some rubber gloves when you reach in there, because you know this mess is sticky. I wish I had followed my own advice. Follow my own advice. Okay. This is the right tool for the job so often. I'm not roasting these pumpkin seeds today, but I sure do enjoy that. Have you ever tried crushing Doritos and tossing those with your pumpkin seeds before you put them in the oven? I haven't either, but now I'm hungry. Okay. I like to get every single seed out if possible. I feel like that really does the trick. And the more of this stringy stuff you get out, the longer your pumpkin will survive before it starts to turn. Okay, pretty happy with that. Okay. Now, I've seen people draw a face before they start carving. And as a professional chef who has no artistic ability, I know that's not going to work out for me. So I'm going to go free range on this design. How should I start? Got an idea. The hole saw. All right, I'm gonna make a couple of eyes. You know, I kind of like these blemishes, so I want to work around those. I'm thinking we're gonna go right here. Oh, that is great. And how do you get that out? I don't know. Chefs don't know these things. I'm out of breath. Okay. And I think I'm gonna go whoa. Okay, how are we doing so far? Let's take a quick update here. I have eyes. This is more than I expected. This is working out way better. Once again, as someone who has no artistic ability, I'm really pleased with how well Mr. Pumpkin here is coming out. Okay, I think we need a mouth. Let's get to work. Okay. I think I'm going to make a row, maybe 2 tall, across like this. Let's see. Now I think when this is lit up, it's going to resemble a mouth. I might open up a couple of these. 1, skip 1, 2, skip 1, and 3. That's exactly what I'm going to do. You know what? This feels like a job for my kitchen chef knife. This is a knife that just didn't hold up. So I actually use it in my garage for jobs just like this. And I don't care if it gets beat up. I'm never going to cook with it again. Okay. I'm going to punch every other one out. I think that's going to give me a unique looking gap tooth look. Fantastic. Oh, yes. I'm very happy with that. I might do something similar like that for the nose. Look, everyone. And then I'm going to make a triangular nose. Same technique. I want to keep that wart right there, so the nose is going to be a little off center. Wish me luck. Here we go. Look at that. That worked amazing. This is indeed the best pumpkin I've ever carved in my life. Okay. Let's take a look at her. It's looking pretty good. Okay. Just like in a kitchen, clean as you go. I wonder if Roger likes fresh pumpkin. We're going to find out. You probably don't know this about me, but I'm an amateur and self-proclaimed thermal engineer, and I've determined that we need some vent holes at the top. So, getting in there, I'm thinking 3 vent holes. It's going to do the trick. There's only 2 things left to do. See how it looks on the front stoop, and 2, the candle test. Roger, come. Sit. Good boy. Do you like pumpkin? You know what? I think that's a no. As always, we appreciate it when you like, subscribe, and comment. We hope you have a safe and happy Halloween.